these are just my waffle cones. I just put these in these cups so they would stand up straight. Now I'm coming in with some popcorn chicken. Yeah, chicken and waffles. And we are just gonna put, a few pieces in each waffle cone, get them nice and filled up so we can have a delicious little game day snacks. Oh, yummy. Okay. Now that we have our popcorn chicken in there, we are going to remove these and put them in our oven. All right, so open your oven up, and these are gonna go right here. Just kind of lean them, just like that. While those are in the oven, I'm gonna grab a small bowl and a whisk. I have 8 ounces of sour cream here. Go ahead and grab a spatula. We're gonna use this whole container of sour cream. Delicious. Okay, we are gonna make a super easy little sauce to go with our chicken and waffles. I have some Hidden Valley Ranch dip mix. We're gonna put about half of the package in there. Perfect. Now I have here some sweet cherry peppers, and I already diced these up to small little pieces. Get all of that out. Perfect. Also gonna add a little bit of the juice from the jar, just a small little drizzle. That's plenty. Go in with our real mayo. And we're gonna add about 1/3 a cup of mayo. Now, if you don't want this spicy, the sweet peppers are not spicy, but I am gonna add some diced jalapeno in there, just a small little amount. I did drain these so that there wouldn't be too much juices. I did like half of the can. Now, to make sure this isn't too thick, I'm gonna add a little bit of buttermilk. Buttermilk is just so rich and delicious. You really don't need too much of it. I think I did less than 1/4 cup. We're gonna go ahead and grab our whisk, and it's time to mix everything together. So this is gonna create almost like a spicy pepper ranch. It is so delicious, so easy to make, and it goes so well with chicken and waffles. Everyone's gonna be wanting this sauce recipe. Look how delicious and quick that came together. Yummy. Okay, now you could obviously just go buy a sauce, but I didn't make the chicken or the waffles, so I figured I might as well make something homemade, get a little semi-homemade dish for the game day. And then I think that is looking ready. We'll pop this in the fridge while our chicken finishes up. All right, so these were in the oven for about 30 minutes, just enough to cook up that chicken, make it nice and warm. And I'm putting them back in the cups just so, like I said, they can stand up. Now, personally, you could do some maple syrup and be done, but I want to keep this savory, so I'm going to start grabbing some pickle chips here. I'm going to do 1 pickle on each one of my little waffle cones, just like that. Adds a nice little pop of color. And also I just love a little pickle on my crispy chicken, sandwiches, and this is no different. Ooh, look at that. Doesn't that look delicious?
Whoa, those pickles smell amazing.
Thanks. All right, now of course we do not want to forget our delicious sweet pepper ranch, and I'm just gonna grab a little fork, dip it in there, and do a nice little drizzle on each of our little waffle cones. Look how easy that is. So perfect for game day. Everyone gets a delicious individual chicken and waffles. Like I said, you could do maple syrup with this. You could do a honey mustard. You could use whatever little sauce you wanted.
Sweet chili sauce.
Exactly. You could get a Chick-fil-A sauce, but I really wanted to do the sweet chili ranch because, it's homemade, and homemade is always better. Oh my gosh.
That's for sure.
Don't these look so delicious?
I want to bite into one like yesterday.
All right, you guys, and this is ready for game day. You're just gonna pick one waffle up, grab a fork. Oh yeah, and enjoy.
My pickle.